Mm. What happened? Mr. ABC Private Limited manufacture beauty soaps in the brand name Forever Young. ABC has organized concert to promote its brand. Mrs. Anant Kapoor, the brand ambassador who is leading film actress, has given a classic dance performance in this concert. The proceeding of this concert worth 1,20,000 will be donated to charitable organization. Okay, Mrs. Anand Kapoor will be required to pay GST. So it's a private company asking someone to do a dance show. For that show, rupees 1,20,000 will be collected and given to charitable institution. Want that 1,20,000, do you need to pay tax? Up to 1,50,000, there is no tax. More than that, it is taxable. In this case, only 1,20,000. So it is exempted. How service by artists by way of performance in folk, classical arts, music, dance, and theatre are exempt from GST. If the consideration of such performance not exceeding 1,50,000 up to 1,50,000 only exempted. Here it is 1,20,000, so it is not taxable. However, such exemption is not available to service provided by artists as a brand ambassador. Now, what they are saying, yes, he had provided this service, but what should she should have promoted that art. She should have promoted that cultural form, not any brand. Now, this is doing a brand promotion. It's advertisement activity. So, it is not a classical function or art promotion. It becomes an advertisement. Since Mr. Anand Kapoor is a brand ambassador of foreign soap manufacturer, the service rendered by way of classical dance performance and the concert organized by RXL Private Limited to promote this brand will not be eligible to above mentioned exemption. Thus, he is liable to GST. The fact proceeds of concert will be donated to charitable organization will not have any bearing on the eligibility otherwise to above mentioned exemption. Even though they provide the money to charitable, it is what? Taxable 18% GST.